do not forget to press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! This is my lunch. Sea Bush Peas. This is like a real good place to eat with this kind of morning. Fantastic, a real mango tree. I like to be in this place, to this area. It's so good. This is like, looks like you are in a real province. It's like for kids. If you bring your kids, so kids can stay inside here, can play. They have this kind of area here. Of course, it's air conditioned. So this is located here at Nongchok. This one, there's like, if there's at night time a live music. If you have also friends, you are a lot, you can have some time like eat here and birthday party.